Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk.
Hello, nagawin kami event sa Pampanga. After searching for his girlfriend for a year, she suddenly appeared in front of him. The boy didn't even
Galing kami Laguna.
He could never forget that day. The girl had left him with a wound that would never heal. That year, crushed by work, he
After
gave
2
himself a
hours
month
ng
off.
biyahe,
He went traveling. The trip became the start of a nightmare. He met a
stop
tour
over
guide who
kami
seemed to
in
understand.
Valenzuela.
ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't. Tangi, where are we? There's this one more thing I'll show you. Come with me, so much to do and lot to see.
Nagpapapad na pili pa. Ibasama na may ko ano.
So we're basically in Pampanga now. Sa capital town kami, Negros. Last na punta namin dito is year 2021. 2021 ba?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi post mo. 2020. 2021.
2021. So pandemic pa nun or papaano na ang pandemic nang pumunta kami dito. So hindi pa masyadong maraming establishment dito. Pero ngayon tapos na. Navigating where are we going next. So yun yung church or venue ng kasal later.
Picture na. Uy, yung mga yato ah. Sabi yato.
Ay nga bati kayo mo nga ramidon.
Sabi nilak ko. Ano, handang malukatan. Pangits ba?
So hindi nakalakyan kanina. Papakastoy na ang kaskasaon eh.
Ulo.
Tangtanga ang nakpapa.
Sa iro. Nagpuni ba dato?
Ayan, so may mga nagja-jogging. Dito kami ngayon sa Pinapagita.
Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP.
We're now here in Rainwater Park. Still located in capital town. There is a small soccer field. You can also turn that to tennis, I think. And you can see here a water feature. It's like giving Victorian vibes. Wow. So pretty. Like
Ang gamit ko. Nagpandak ka na was. Nakapahilad.
Hello.
Mayat?
It looks like Korean inspired park. And one thing is may mga gazebo sila na pwede mong tambayan. I think unlike kay Ayala, parang wala kang mga kubo or mga gazebo na pwede mong tambayan in case na mapap.
Sa akin ni Trodel eh. Sa akin ni Trodel.
Baby, wag kang bababa.
ninyo. Mukhang kinabahan ang ating next participant, Sir Jason. Dito ka naman sa harapan. Okay? At, sir, ready ka na ba? Handa na kayo? Sige, parang mahihain sa Sir Jason. Ayan, ready ka na, sir? Ready na? Sure ka? Okay. Kayo po ba handa na? Sige. Alright. Sir Jason, eto na ang ating song number 2. One more up. Medyo agad tulog aso. Gawin natin tulog aso. Di ba yun yun? Yun yan, di ba? Alright. Narinig yan, di ba? Ganun yun. Paano kayo na? Who let the dog out? Ganda. Ang saya niyo naman kasama. Ay, isa pa. Who let the dog out? Okay. Sir, medyo ganong energy ha. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Song number 2. Pwede na. Thank you very much. So far, mukhang sakto sa kanila.
Hi, it's me again, I'm back. Let's talk ASAP. Do you have the time? Let's talk ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. 할 얘기 다 한 줄 알고 빨간색 눌러 끊고 나니 생각나서 다시 또 울려. There's this one more thing I'll show you. Come with me, so much to do and lot to see. Just for a moment. Just for a moment. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe. ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't say maybe.
Hi, love. Siya man. Siya man. Bale, yung in-order namin is Spanish latte sa akin and kay Jason is chocolate latte.